All right, now so that we made the crashes, let's have a little fill for them before the crash. So this is similar to the shakers we did. What I want to do is just with these samples, I took this toilet sample, for example, and it has here some transients. Obviously, you can make transients yourself, but I like taking already made transients because these are sounds from real life stuff, and if it detects the transients because this is how the sound was. So and sometimes it doesn't work, but yeah, you never know. So let's take this for example, and yeah, just toilet sound. Let's do this beat thing. And now let's quantize the 16th. So we have a rhythm for fill. And yeah, actually I want to add some more. So as you can see, it's a not really a sound that fits the description of a drum fill, and I really took the most unfitting sound that I could find, but it still could work. And maybe if I'll layer it with a pitch down one. Nice. And now I'm trying to make it have a more drum sound, like more lows, for example. And I made it more choppy with the beats, more choppy with the beats mode. And now it kind of sounds like a water percussion. So let's top it with a saturation. Sounds not bad. Sounds like someone's tapping on a wet desk or something. Nice. I just wanna tune it a little bit, and even if we'll take it a little further, we can add also a corpus, which is a great instrument. To give it even a more percussive feel. Let's do 36.8.75. 36.72. Okay. Give it a really like an acoustic, like it's a real instrument. And now this is this is the easy way out. If you don't have this, you can maybe use a multi-band compressor, which you have in Ableton, the multi-band dynamics, but for doing it easily, just wanna tame the sustain of the high end. Add some reverb. Alright. It's not the most fitting reverb, but and let's process it a little bit more and also filter it so it so it fades in. Let's do like a high pass. Yeah. So as you can see, I on purpose I really took a sound that it doesn't fit the description of a drum fill at all, and it doesn't have really a percussive element. Only in the frequencies there's some weird mid lows of the water, but yeah, still works as a fill and it sounds different. No one would ever replicate something like that.